Hello class 8. Today we are going to learn about exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. An expression that represents repeated multiplication of the same factor is called a power. An expression that represents repeated multiplication of the same factor is called a power. Let's see the example. 5 square. 5 square. The number 5 is called a base. The number 5 is called the base. And the number 2 is called the exponent, more often called as power. The number 5 is called the base and the number 2 is called the exponent or power. Okay children, let's see powers with positive exponents. Powers with positive exponents. Example, 2 power 1. 2 raised to 1 time. 2. Therefore, 2 power 1 is equal to 2 only. Next, 2 power 2 or 2 square. 2 raised to 2 times. 2 into 2. How many times? 2 times. 2 into 2. So, 2 2s are 4. Next, 2 power 3 or 2 cube. 2 raised to 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. 2 power 4. 2 raised to 4 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times 2. Okay. 4 times. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. And 8 2s are 16. Value of powers given by positive whole number, exponents quite often increase rapidly. Value of powers given by positive whole number, exponents quite often increase rapidly. See this, powers with negative exponents. Powers with negative exponents. 2 power minus 1. 2 power minus 1. So 2 power. So power என்னவா இருக்கு? minus 1 இருக்கு. So we use the rule 1 by 2 power 1. So negative இருந்துச்சுன்னா this is the rule 1 by 2 power 1 நம்ம எழுதணும் numbers. Okay. So 1 by 2 power 1. So 2 power 1 is 2. Therefore 1 by 2. Next 2 power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 square. 2 square is 2 into 2. 1 by 2 into 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Next 2 power minus 3. 1 by 2 power 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 1 by 8. 2 power minus 4 is equal to 1 by 2 power 4 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. And 8 2s are 16. 2 power minus 4 is equal to 1 by 16. In general, we use this rule. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m, where m is an integer. M is an integer. So a power minus m power minus இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம அது இப்படி தான் எழுதணும் 1 by a power m. ஸோ 1 by a power m எழுதும் போது நெகட்டிவ் என்னவாயிடுது, இங்கே பாசிட்டிவாக இருக்குது. ஆனால் 1/a power m மாறிடுது. ஓகேயா? ஸோ பாஸ் வித் நெகட்டிவ் எக்ஸ்போனன்ட்ஸ்க்கு இதுதான் ரூல். a power m is equal to 1/a power m. Okay, very very important rule, children. Keep it in your mind. Pass with negative exponents. What is the rule? A power minus m is equal to 1/a power m. Clear? See this, children. 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is equal to 16. 2 power 3 is equal to 8. 2 power 2 is equal to 4 and 2 power 1 is equal to 2. What is 2 power 0? So observe this pattern. Powers with 0. Okay. So powers with 0. 2 power 0. What is the answer? 2 power 0 is equal to 1. 2 power 0 is equal to 1. Why 2 power 0 is equal to 1? Because see the next step. What is the next step? The next step is 2 power minus 1. இங்கே என்ன வரும்? 2 power minus 1 தானே வரும். 4, 3, 2, 1 power 0 ஆகிடுச்சு. அடுத்து minus 1. இங்கே என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? 2 power minus 1. 2 power minus 1 என்னது? 1/2 half. அப்போ 2 power minus 1 ஆஃப்னா அப்போ 2 power 0 என்னவா இருக்குன்னா 1. ஓகேயா? ஸோ இதோட பாதி தான் இது 2 power minus 1. கிளியரா? அடுத்து 2 power minus 2னா இதோட பாதி 1/4. 2 power minus 3னா 1/4ஓட பாதி 1/8. கிளியர் சில்ட்ரன்? அதனால் 2 power 0ன்றது 1. Not 2 power 0, anything power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. 100 power 0, 1000 power 0 or 5 power 0. ஸோ எந்த நம்பருக்கு மேலே 0 இருந்தாலும் power 0வாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதோட வேல்யூ என்ன? 1. Pass with 0, 1. In general, a power 0 is equal to 1 where a not equal to 0. Base 0வாக இல்லாமல் இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஆன்சர் என்ன? 1. a power 0 is equal to 1. So first rule என்ன பார்த்தோம்? First rule, a power minus m is equal to 1/a power m. And second rule, a power 0 is equal to 1. Pass with 0. a power 0 is equal to 1. Clear? Let's see expanded form of numbers using exponents. Expanded form of numbers using exponents. In the lower classes, we have learned how to write a whole number in the expanded form. For example, see the first example, 5832. So we can write this in expanded form. 5 into 1000 plus 8 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1. Because ones, tens, 100 and 1000. And 5 into 10 power 3. 10 power 3 means 10 cube is 1000. Okay, so write 5 into 10 cube plus here 100. So 8 into 10 square plus here only 110. So 3 into 10 power 1. And we consider 2 into 1 is 2. So we write the answer like this. 5 into 10 cube plus 8 into 10 square plus 3 into 10 power 1 plus 2. Okay, when we use exponential notation. What shall we do if we get decimal places? Powers of 10 with negative exponents come to our rescue. Let's see the example 2. 58.32. 58.32. So 58. 50 plus 8 plus 3/10. Because after the decimal point, this place is 3 places 10th place. isn't it? 3 places, 10th place. What is 8 ones? 5 tens. And 3 places, 1 tenth, 10th place. So write 3 by 10. 2 100th place plus 2 by 100. 50 plus 8 plus 3 plus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100. And we write this 5 into 10 because of 10th place. 5 into 10 plus 1's place. 8 into 1 plus 3 into 1 by 10 because this is 1 tenth. 3 into 1 by 10th plus 2 into 1 by 100. 1 by 100. And here 5 into 10 power 1 because only 1 10, right? 10 power 1 plus 8 into 1. So 8 into 1. What is 1? I told you in the last rule, anything per 0 is equal to 1. See this par with 0. Anything per 0 is equal to 1. So we can write 1. I want here 10. இங்கே 10 எழுதுறதுனால 10 ஓட பேஸ் இருக்கிறதுனால நான் இதை 10 எழுதிக்கிறேன் பிகாஸ் எனிதிங் பர் 1. நான் இங்கே 10 பர் 0 போட்டாலும் இல்லை எது போட்டாலும் இங்கே 1 தான் மீனிங். ஸோ எனக்கு பேஸ் 10ன்றதுனால ஐ எம் ரைட்டிங் 10 பர் 0. 10 பர் 0. நெக்ஸ்ட் 3 into 1 by 10. What is 1 by 10? Pass with negative exponents. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. அப்போது நெகட்டிவாக இருந்தால் என்ன எழுதலாம்? 1 by a power mனு பாசிட்டிவாக எழுதலாம். பட் இங்கே 1 by 10 இருக்கிறதுனால நம்ம இங்கே ஏவோட பிளேஸில் 10 எழுதுகிறோம், எம்மோட பிளேஸில் 1ன்னு எழுதிக்கிறோம். 10 power minus 1ன்னு எழுதுகிறோம். கிளியர்? ப்ளஸ் 2 into 1 by 100. ஸோ 100னா ஆப்வியஸ்லி என்னது இது? 10 ஸ்கொயரில். அப்போ 10 ஸ்கொயர்னா என்ன எழுதலாம்? 10 power minus 2. இங்கே எழுதுகிறோம்ல 2 ஸ்கொயர்னா என்னது? 1 by 4. அப்போ 1 by 4 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 2 power minus 2. அதே மாதிரி 1 by 100 10 ஸ்கொயர். ஆனால் இது 1 by 100 இருக்கிறதுனால மைனஸ் பார் மைனஸ் ஆகுது. 10 power minus 2ன்னு வருது. கிளியர் சில்ட்ரன்? ஸோ இன்றைக்கி என்னென்ன பார்த்துருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா பாஸ் வித் பாசிட்டிவ் எக்ஸ்பொனன்ட்ஸ், pass with negative exponents, pass with 0, expanded form of numbers using exponents. Clear children? Okay. I hope you all understand this. Thank you.